I remember in those days that the press, before he was arrested, they went to Ezozobu and interviewed him. Ezozobu told them that he never knew this boy. That this boy, I don't know who is he. Who is Nnamdi Kanu? I don't know him. Ezozobu denied him. I remember that some people were against His Royal Majesty for denying the boy. But Ezozobu said the truth. His Lordship said the truth because Nnamdi had never met His Lordship, Honorable Justice Ezozobu, in his lifetime. He never met him. Because I did not introduce him to His Lordship. He was only hearing about him, the head of indigenous people of Biafra. Now Nnamdi now took over, said that now he is now the head, the leader. So the elders were now watching this boy.